today so we can get that big move earlier. I got shit to do. Yeah, literally. It's really how it be, bro. That's really how it be, bro. Every day. I leave and then we get the nuker. Constantly. The 15-minute. This market is just so strong, man. Just incredibly strong. Talking when our friends. I got my coffee. And I'm ready to catch a winner today. Ready to get a coffee. Get some coffee in the system and catch a winner. Had a red Monday, so we're looking for some vengeance today. In a non-revenge trading way. Did we fill that gap up to the top 5? So we did. We're above the gap. You know, it could be a potential high risk trade. I don't like that we already touched it pre-market. We had that dip with Trump talking about tariffs or something. But I'd like to see a dip back down. On QQQ, it's that 564 area. So we never technically did touch a pre-market QQQ. So a move down to here from, oh, we got a screen share. Whoops. There we go. I wasn't screen sharing. I'm sorry. Oh, whoops. Wrong share. There we go. I'd love to see it move down to 564, then jump. On NQ, that would be... Let's see here. We're looking on the hourly and the daily. No. Still not as valid on QQQ or on NQ. Maybe down to that 280 area. $300K. Y'all better have them registers open. Y'all are out of pocket already today, bro. Y'all are out of pocket already. That's hilarious. It's a good morning to be in Team Bull, baby. Good morning to be in Team Bull. Welcome in, everybody. We got people checking in worldwide. Now, as a reminder, it's a great day to choose discipline over dopamine. Trade smart, trade safe. If you're going to lose, keep it small. If you're going to win, let's follow our plan and ideally have it big. And the most important part here is being systematic in our approach. Now, as a reminder, everybody on the TikTok and YouTube, I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button. As a reminder, Apex is 80% off still if you use code JDUN, code JDUN for 80% off all Apex accounts. I will do my absolute best to help you guys pass them, get funded, and get paid out. And it also comes with payout protection. Let's get it and let's make some money together. Yo, good morning, Stefan. Roberto. Hey, Danny. Dirt. Bullish. What's up, Kai Richards? Good morning. As a reminder, everyone on TikTok, we're also on YouTube as well. You get full screen share there. We have a good amount of people that join us every single morning. Hey, yes, sir, Kelt. He's cool. Tyler, morning, bro. Good morning, Vincent. Good morning, Troy. What's up, everybody? What's up, baby? Let's get to the money today. Hopefully I can find a winner. I had one small winner, ended up being actually a break-even, technically red trade, but I got a green trim. And then I had one red trade yesterday that just was not a winner in any regard. So sub Jordy Walters, Debbie, what's up, everybody? It's going to be a great day. You're damn right it is. We are blessed. We are here together. We have internet connection. We have computers, phones. Let's get to the money. The market is open. The market is open. Okay. Hey, Grizzly Glock, you here, bro?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me?
What's up, man? Now I can.
It's 2,300 for a bounce. 23,300. Oh yeah, I'm here. 23,300 the bounce I am looking. We about touched it. It is happening right off the open.
Hey, good morning, JJ. What's up, bro? Yeah, it's that London low, too. I would rather seen us flush that and then move up. Any trades yet, bro? The market just opened 30 seconds ago. I'm not even being rude. I'm being funny. Because people will come in, it'll be like 20 seconds in, like, Jdun, any trades? Like, yes, I ripped one the second the market opened. I have to be in a trade. Every second. No, I was thinking about taking that bounce though at 300. I just didn't end up doing it. I'm just giving you a hard time. We have fun here. Gonna poke some fun at each other. I'm watching that bounce for you too. It'd be like 564 area on a QQQ. We'll see. As I always say, it's very rare I take trades immediately off the open. It's very rare I take trades immediately off the open. Let's see, ES is my main watches this morning are ES and NQ. Tesla with quite the dump too. Not a whole lot in terms of hourly levels, 4 hour.
No way that bounced 3 points before I was going to take it.
I know.
No way.
And even, you know, for example, for me, that's something I'm potentially down to take a little early, but not in the first 2 minutes of the day, you know?
Yeah, that's how I feel.
If it was a little later in the day and we go down there, you know, that opens up. But off the open where you have no data whatsoever to base it off of. Tough trade to take. We also have PMI at 945 as well. To my existence. Yeah, let's see what gold's doing today. Little rip up on the 4 hour. 1 minute's pumping too. Sometimes the orb works out really nicely on gold, actually. Sometimes it works out really nicely. On occasion, it will. Appreciate y'all being here, YouTube and TikTok. As a reminder, make sure you guys tap in, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe. I'm going to do everything in my power today to bring you guys the best education, best entertainment, and best strategy in winning trades. So appreciate y'all tapping in, hitting that follow button. Well, oh, PMI's at 10. PMI's at 10. My apologies. My numbers are off this morning. Sorry.
No, we have data in minutes.
It is 9:45. People can tell me 10. It's ISM services at 10. You silly gooses. I was right. Not always right. I definitely wasn't right yesterday. But right now, I was right. Well, I was partially right yesterday. At the same time, appreciate you, Jonathan. Yep, code Jdun will always get you the best discount with FFF, Apex, and Tradeify. It's 80% off Apex right now. That's the best deal. If you like that. Let's see here. Let's see. Hopefully the orb can give us a nice trade today too. For the orb you will. Don't. Always trust. Yep. The orb, the opening range breakout. Just bought my third Tradeify 100K account with code Jdun after achieving my second payout. Nice. Atta boy. Scale them up, baby. We've had a lot of people in our chats getting payouts lately, getting fun and getting paid out. More and more. One of my 1v1 students got a payout, got moved to live. They moved him to live quick because he's killing it. Damn, what a bounce, Grizzly Glock.
Hey man, the best moves is either coming like after 11 or right at open. Like this, the chops.
If we would have gotten to 564, that area on QQQ, I was more interested in taking calls or the longs on NQ. What a ripper. excuse me. Woo. Excuse me, guys. Excusez-moi. This may give us a setup now to look for a pullback down to the 50% retracement. See, that would be around 223, 335. With that low being 307, so that very well could be a decent setup. We'll see how this volume plays out. I don't really like taking trades in the first 3 5-minute candles, but sometimes it can work out well. Sometimes. You'd rather see this close strong and then retest back down, continue up. I will let you guys know, as always, if I enter. I'm just letting you know what I'm looking for. Let's see what this ends up being. This low to this high. 50% is at 333. Start, da, da, da. So, I really wanted to see us pull back down to this 50% retracement area. If I was going to take an early long, I'm not sure it's going to give it to us. And honestly, it's not a necessity being inside the first 15 minutes. I don't think there's an echo, bro. I think that's probably your mic. I mean, maybe there is, but not on my end. Sorry if it's echoing for you. I'm sorry if it is. We're just waiting. We're just staying patient. We're just staying patient. We have news in 2 minutes, guys. We have data in 2 minutes. Whew. See anything that you like, Gene? No? Not yet? You took a trade last night? How'd it go? Nice. $650 for Gene last night. That's what's up.
For some steak.
Yeah. Stakes on Gene. He shouldn't have told me that. Unlike Brandon. Brandon could say, yeah, I made $6 million. But you're still paying though.
McDonald's.
Yeah, it's a McDonald's dollar menu only.
Won't even buy you McDonald's. He won't even buy you Chipotle. Nothing. Ever.
Nothing. See, it's not just me saying it. I told y'all I wasn't alone in that. Huh. YouTube shouldn't be. Yeah. The day you get Brandon to buy Nobu is the day that pigs are flying. I recommend for any beginners that you use a prop firm. So you'll probably use Tradeovate. I use TOS and EdgeClear for the most part. But for example, if you want a funded account, you can start for like $20. Nothing on a funded account. Learn, have some skin in the game. You can go to apextraderfunding.com and use code Jdun for 80% off. That way you have skin in the game, but you can also learn for nothing. Not muted. I don't think I'm muted. Check, check, check. No, I'm not muted. Check, check, check. Yeah. Something why you love. Damn, now it's moving. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Brandon is? Someone said Brandon needs to write a book called How to Build Wealth by Having Others Buy Your Dinner. That's good. Grizzly, how about that bounce, bro? That's painful. That is painful, my bro.
So I'm not sure what though. If we close this strong and pull back.
Yeah, 363. That'd be ideal. And we could still target pre-market high. That actually looks really good.
Yeah, I agree. 15-minute order range is in play.
Then the trend setting candle low would only be down at 352 from 3. So that actually looks really good. I'm not in any trades right now.
We're looking to hit around the 60 or 50.
For me, I'd like to enter around 63.
Stop below 342.
3. I mean, worst case, you could do that. I'd like to keep it at like 352. If we could test 360 area and bounce up, then you only have like 10, 15 points of risk. Probably 15 points.
I like it. Pulls back. I'll give it a go with you. We got more data at 10. This candle's going to take us to high day.
It's pre-market high. Yeah. Let's see if we do get, if this ends up being the high here. Yeah, I still can't take that early. I'm open to an earlier entry. So like if we close here, we have 2 more minutes. We could very well go above this London high. If we close here, we can potentially watch for a 70 area with 20, 25 points of risk below 352. Have to try with a little less size up in here, but I'm open to it. ES still has a ways. Maybe the ES orb will be better today. See how they close. See how we close it. We might not even close above that high. ES is having trouble with that high.
So consider it.
Yep, I just want to see us pop down to 70s, below 70, down to 60 ideally. Trying a baby piece. Just a small one with room to add it. The ideal area is 60, but I did try a small piece just in case. I mean, the best ad is lower. I just don't want to miss it just in case. And the worst case scenario here, adding at 70, is I lose 22 points.
All right, I tried a piece with you there. So I've cut a 65, 365 is my fill.
Tried with you too. Added a little more down there.
Yeah, give us high day. Pre-market high. We'll be happy.
Worst case scenario is I stop at 52.
Push. Okay.
Who was calling me in the middle of a trade?
Push up.
Well, now we know. Went down to that 62 area. Depending on your ad, I mean, we got the try it for a bounce. So you'd like to see continuation? Yep. My average is a bit higher than yours, but
It might push in and retest that previous day high. 23,352.5.
had to try the system though. Even if we ended up losing below this 52, it's worth the try for me. If we didn't and we ended up touching this and ripping, especially without testing that London high, I'd be bummed. I have a hard stop in it, 52. If it would end up ripping down, stopping out, and then reclaiming, can always look for re-entry. Can always look for a re-entry. There we go. Getting close to 1-to-1 over that 80 area. I'd like to see first trim at 20 points. Come on. We went up almost 1R, 82 from, between here, add 70 to 63. Come on, give us like 84.
No, push it. Wait.
As always, manage how you see fit, but I'd like to see 80, 84 area.
Honestly, let's retest that 23,400 again. See if we can break it this time.
I don't like that we keep rejecting this 80.
I'm trimming.
I'm trimming a little at 84 too. There we go. At 1R.
Beautiful.
Trimmed at 1R there. 1 to 1. Let's see if we can get the rest of this above. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push it up. We're at 90s. We tag team that nice, Grizzly. Let's see if we can get this 400 push. Let's see if we can get this 400 push up. Come on. Let's go, everybody. We have trimmed, just so you guys are aware, we've trimmed above 1R. Come on. Give us that 400.
It's a good looking candle. 5-minute close.
Looks really good. Got a nice trim off there. I'm going to keep my stops now at 62. So 4 points for my average. 62 is where my stops are, below that 5-minute candle. Don't let this trade go red, though, guys. Don't let it go red.
Yeah, stop should be at least be an entry.
Yep, mine's a bit below entry, but still a green trade. We'll take it. 1 to 1 trade. If you only took that first ad, you're just about at break even right now. If you added below that 70, somewhere between 70 and 64.
Yeah, we do have data at 10. All right. Break over. That is it.
Hasn't stopped me yet. At 62, it'll stop me. At 62, it will stop me.
Hope that's the liquidity you needed there.
Yeah. 62, it will stop me.
About $867. Solid start to the week. 7:15.
Well, what do you mean be clear about my entry? I mean, in the most respectful way, how could I be more clear than I'm in? Twice. I honestly don't know, and I'm not trying to be rude, but how? I mean, Chad, I thought I was pretty clear. I honestly don't know how I could.
It is locked in.
I don't even know how I could be. W, baby.
I was trading.
I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just saying.
Trade MQ occasionally. More for abundance.
Come on.
Personal account still.
Still hanging on by dear life. 62 stop loss.
To your stop, like a point 75 away.
Yep. 62. It honestly is not looking great. This ES looks ugly. I got hard stops in.
I have a feeling it's going to make the higher low here just enough to stop you out and continue on. You put your stop loss just a little bit below that range, don't you? That's what you like.
Yeah, I like I like using the candle lows and highs for my stop. Nice, solid win for the day though. I'm happy about that. I'm happy even if I get stopped out. I'm happy about it. I told you guys I'm on a mission to help all of you get funded, get paid out, and build your live accounts. I'm on a mission to help all of you to the best of my abilities. Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button. If you want live trades, the best education and the best transparency every day, make sure you hit that follow button or subscribe if you're on YouTube. You were clear. I entered with you and got out. Gotta know, TikTok, y'all make any money off that? Team Bull, you make any money off that? If you paid yourself with Grizzly and I, let me know. What do you guys pay yourselves? What are our paydays looking like for the morning? What are the paydays looking like for the morning, Team Bull? What are we paying ourselves today? 134 for Vinny, 140 for Jack, 768 for Raul, 812 for Scott, 1500 for Stanley, 2700 for Tyler. Let's go. 71, 105, 43, 200, 857, 2.5 R, 555. Let's go, baby. Let's see if we can keep it moving. But you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. What you know, pump it up. What the fuck? Well, thank God I had the hard stop. I didn't get filled very good. I lost like 5 points in slippage. What the fuck was that? Damn, I just got a horrible fill on that. I'm still green, but that was terrible.
I just lost like 700 because the fill.
My fill sucked.
Damn.
Damn, I'm still green, but fuck. Not as green as I should have been. And that, my friends, my slippage wasn't horrible because it was so little on the micros, but man, that is why you have hard stops in. That is a lesson on slippage. Right there. Wow. Wow. Well, shout out to hard stops. If you're in big positions with hard stops, there right there is a lesson that slippage will absolutely just crush you.
That sucked.
He said that sucked. How many contracts were you in?
Dude, only 14 micros.
Oh, 4. That's why. And having an odd number like that too will just feel weird sometimes. Damn. And that is why too, news is just very risky. Somehow it filled. I said, what the fuck? Excuse my language, everybody. It did. I had some slippage on it though. I'm still green. But man, if I would have been in a big position, I would have gotten ripped there. And not in a good way. Not in a good way of ripped. But that's always a risk, whether it's up or down. That's always a risk you have with trading over data. Like you could have had that same candle to the upside too and made a massive amount of money. You know? It's just a risk you take. Whenever you're holding over data at any point. You got to pump it up. You got to what the? Yeah, news is a little sketchy. We had ISM services. No, you like them. You like them trades, huh? That is why you use shorts. Appreciate you being here and subscribing. You're watching. You're a fan, baby. Welcome to the show. Not sure I made money. Somehow filled you higher. Flashed green 100 ticks, then got cooked. And we look for the reverse orb now. Reverse it to the downside. We got 1-1R trade. Well, technically ended up being a little less because of slippage, but from a principle standpoint, 1R trade. I have a ton of free education on my YouTube, guys, at Jdun Trades. I'm also live there. If you guys have any questions, you can always DM me on IG at Jdun. Jdun or Jdun Trades. Those are both my accounts. $332, $361. We do have room to the downside, but I'd wanted to see us test a bit higher. Setup's actually looking halfway decent to the downside.
Yeah, I mean, downside look good if we can pull back.
No, no, we pull back a little bit into the zone pair. I'd love to try it. This high is 74, 64, 4. Yep. I'd be open to it up here. And your biggest risk is 24 points to the upside. I'm full porting your next call out. Well, please be careful. Appreciate y'all using code JDown on Apex as well, guys. I'm doing my absolute best to help you guys get funded and get paid out. Seeing a lot of you guys getting paid out. At least a few people every single day. ES does look decent for shorts, too. ES is looking a little weaker. What? Brandon's in longs? Oh, no.
Let me know when he says. We dare try the shorts up here, everyone? What are you thinking?
350. Go a little higher into those 350s. I'm open to it.
Or the short position, everyone. Lot size.
Oh, that was instant. Baby piece with you, Grizzly. Tried it with you.
I'm gonna take a trim here. Now let's see. Put our stop loss at our entry, and let's see if we get low day. Give us a low day. We need to come back up.
See if it can push down. I'm going to keep my, I just tried a small piece. I'm going to keep my stop at entry up here. So I didn't get as good of an entry as you. So I'm going to make sure I keep my green for the day. Got a decent fill on it, but I'd love to see a low a day too. Tested that 350 almost to a T. See if we can hold below this and move down. Out of the trade, everybody. If we get more of a confirmation on the 5 minute, I'm still open to shorts as we look in here. You know what actually looks decent for shorts is ES at that 63.58. She looks pretty good. ES looks decent under that 63.50 or at that 63.58. Show you why. Oh, what? That's not supposed to be there. These lows here, you have this aggressive impulse candle fair value gap at this 15-minute low. So it's the orb, and also we have this London low here. Want to see us move up a bit higher. So 58, you'd have 6 points of risk up to 64. Come on. $15-minute there. Take MNQ. Let's see here. MNQ. Looks like we want to move lower on ES. SPY and ES looks really weak. And we're going to go hit low a day, huh? Want to see a bit more move into that low. Didn't get it. Yeah. Not bad.
Give me another trade, Jdun.
I like ES shorts and SPY puts. Just want to see a bit higher of an entry. I don't like any longs right now. Not until we build back above that, pretty much that high a day.
Close right above pre-market low on 502. Hey, how's K4 doing this morning? You all making some money? Winning trades. Not a whole lot of continuation, but they can be locked in.
Come on. I want to see a bit higher there.
I wonder why this king has 23,300. It's like it keeps going down immediately. Whipping back up.
It's holding that 300 tough.
I'm gonna get a short sale go again.
I do too. That's all I'm watching. That is all that I'm watching.
I'm gonna push down. Here we go. No. Push. There, trim.
Shut up, Grizzly Glock.
Nice. That's what I wanted.
The Grizzly Glock. What up, Gene? What up? Don't. That was nice, Grizzly Glock. So we want to go lower too. We break down that 300. It's free falling, baby.
Long. I just wanted that 290. My price target 290.
Yup. Money bags. What's in my part of town? Well, you can get that 90, bro. Just got to break down that hold below that 300. If you get that, it's free fall. A 5 and a 15-minute close below 300. Don't bet. Stay alive. Only the strong survive. Don't. Nice job, Grizzly Glock. You killed that, bro.
Put me at 2,000 and right at 2,000 on the bank. I'll take it.
Nice. Ended up 1500. Well, actually over. Almost 1600.
Nice.
Am I mathing right?
Well, just cut through that 283.
Oh my gosh, you killed that, dog.
Just didn't have no more runners, you know. So I couldn't do much about it.
1600, 1604. Looks like we still got more gas in the tank to the downside too. See how these next few candles close. You out of here, bro?
Yeah, I gotta hop on a phone call here.
All right, man. Tell her I said hi.
No good. About money.
See you, bro. Nice job. Damn. Grizzly Glock with the dub. Oh, the price is right. What are we at on QQQ at that 564? FLA. What the F is the deal? We want winners and killers, and we gonna steal from the market, baby. Little steps every single day. Honestly, can't really ask for a better. Biggest ever, thanks to Jdun, Grizzly, and GD. Nice, Brandon. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, bro. That's what I'm talking about, my bro. Doesn't look bad, that 300 test for the orb to the downside. You have very little risk. Actually looks halfway decent. She looks good. Well, we didn't really get the test, but you can see this aggressive breakdown. Not quite as high a volume, but not low in comparison to the previous candles. Nice job, Barth. I would not be looking for calls right now. I'd only be looking for shorts until you get some sort of confirmation of a reversal. Only shorts. Only puts and shorts. Only puts and shorts. Only puts and shorts. Any trades for you? Yup. Well, technically two winners, but one solid winner. No. 240. I mean, honestly, I don't have the previous day consolidation. Now we're bouncing off of. Let's see what we look at or what we have on the hourly, if anything. Some hourly demand here we're bouncing off of. You can see that small red, large green, higher volume. So Could be a potential bounce area. We break this down, we have room down to pretty much 200. Interesting reversal candle. I'd love to see continued move down. Love seeing the team do well on days like today, baby. Lots of green across the board. You love to see it. Appreciate y'all being here, everyone on the live streams on YouTube and on TikTok. Make sure y'all, if y'all haven't already, you tap in, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe, and let's learn and level up together, baby. Appreciate y'all being here. Yes, crushing it, baby. Let's go. If you want to trade with Grizzly and the rest of the team, I highly recommend you join the free Discord. We have free Friday every single week. I'm going to pin the free Discord in the YouTube chat. Here, I'll put it in the comments. Takes 2 seconds. If you guys have a Discord account, you should be part of the free Discord. Lots of value in there. You get access to Jared Tendler, all of our discounts on prop firms, all of our education, and more. I just posted the link in the YouTube. Oh my gosh. 2 points. 2 points shy of that 300. I have no interest in chasing down here, but I certainly wouldn't be looking for longs. I also just posted the free Discord link if y'all want to copy and paste that. I posted that for y'all in the TikTok. You can also DM me on IG at Jdun Trades to get the link if that won't work. Just mention that you're from the live stream and that you'd like access to the free Discord. Solid day, guys. Solid day. We'll take it. Hopefully y'all made progress on your funded or eval accounts. Yep. Trend trading's the only way, bro. Market really is using ISM data as a reason to sell off. ISM. $63, $66. We honestly don't have. Let's see here. Selling off in here. See how this 4 hour. Let's go to 4 hour here. Got an aggressive, well, not in terms of volume, but aggressive 4 hour fair value gap here on NQ and ES as well. Let's go to ES. See if we sell off into there. Do you announce when you enter a trade? Every time. Almost every time. Maybe once in a blue moon there'll be somewhere I take a scalp I can't announce, but for the most part, I announce every trade that I take. Yup. That is right. Yes, sir. Just make sure you hit that follow button and tap in every morning. Make use of your social media. Make it work for you. A lot of people waste time and waste brain cells on social media and TikTok. Not here. You have stumbled upon Money Talk. When you hit that follow button, it's going to come up for you every day when I'm live. Just get on the app, get your computer out, get ready to learn. Appreciate the follows, James, Yako, Yak, Jackson. Seven, two, it'd be 11. Love seeing you win, Jay Quinn. Love seeing it, bro. Love seeing you win, my bro. How do I get started? Well, I always recommend my YouTube for strategy. If you join these lives every day, you'll learn a lot watching price. My YouTube is Jdun Trades. I'm live there every day as well. If you prefer a full screen or being on your desktop, it's a good place for you to be. I like the 50Ks. 50Ks or 150Ks. The more I look into them, I think the 50Ks are best for beginners. They're also cheaper. Discord's a great spot to be. Yep. Free Discord's in the pinned comment or below in the description. Lots of good value there. Lots of free value too. Thanks, Coach Dunn. You're welcome. Still selling, bro. We got room down to that 200. We got room down to that 200. Aggressive move through. Failure. Shit, and then there was just one. There was just one on. Yeah, walk away, Tiffany. Take your money, walk away. Goodbye. 56, 46. Appreciate all y'all following. Jorge, Meg, appreciate y'all hitting that follow button here on TikTok. You're going to be using your app for good. Thank you for that. 600 plus a con. Let's go. Oh. What's up, Mr. Gene?
What up?
What up, dog?
My legs hurt.
Good. Seen a lot of people making some money, passing some evals, getting funded today. Was down 275, now 180. Let's go. Now up 180. That's what's up. Green to red. You love to see the green to red, baby. You love to see it, bro. Great job. Way to choose discipline over dopamine. Now walk away so you don't give it back. Red to green. Excuse me. I want red to green, not green to red. That's bad. We don't want green to red. We want red to green. $6,300 for a bounce, huh, Brando? I could see it. We're a ways away. 20 more points on ES. That's a grip of a move.
It's $20 on the spot.
Let's.
These things market's gonna crash.
$24. No, it's not. It's only like $4. Gene,
Go up.
for SPY to ES.
Oh yeah, it's 10 points for every dollar.
Yeah.
So
It's still a decent move, though. I mean, that's a pretty aggressive move. I actually like the odds of a bounce down there too. I like that demand we have sitting down there. $6,300 with stops below that, like $295. Actually looks halfway decent. Oh, he's talking SPX. We're there like right now. Oh yeah, good luck on that. I'm not taking that. We might bounce. I hope we do, but I'm not taking it. Not on SPX. Made some good money. Appreciate learning from all your vids. You have helped me out a lot. Hey, let's go, Justin. That's awesome. Let's go, baby. We're really tanking. We're getting there slowly. Don't. Anthony here, retired NYPD. Thank you. Made money watching you. Let's go, Anthony. Thank you for your service to the beautiful city of New York. I haven't been in New York in a minute. Last time I was there was New Year's of 2023. Only time I was there, actually. We are free falling, guys. What? Yeah, it's unfortunate to see some of the things for sure. What are the crime and such? All right, guys, I'll be right back using the restroom. I'm not going anywhere. We got a lot of good price action unfolding. Watch for that bounce down there, guys. I'll be right back. We're back in action, baby. We are back in action. We are back in action. Thank you, Jdun, for all the lessons so far. Bless you. Let's go, Yordi. Appreciate you, bro. As a reminder, if you're struggling with discipline, looking to make more money trading or in your daily life or business, make sure you guys give my personal IG a look. And if you think you'll get value, a follow. I know you'll get value. It's JDUN. You can also message me there. I respond to my DMs. JDUN on Instagram. Just type in Jdun. It will be the only thing that pops up. Appreciate all y'all coming in. Look forward to helping you guys in your journeys. Let's see how this looks too. Let's do 342. We're getting closer, slowly. Getting closer to that. Oh my gosh, 560 on QQQ. Wow. NASDAQ is really selling. So setting up for some really good setups the rest of the week. Some very good setups.
It's a lot of movement too for August.
I know. Usually August is a little slower. Not today. Says, what August?
What a ripper. Down.
100% guarantee. I don't know about that, Chris. I don't like 100% guarantees. They sound a little sketchy, but send me, if it's business-wise, send me a DM on IG at Jdun. If you have any interest in building an online presence, scaling your business, making more money, I recommend you follow my personal page, Jdun, as well. It's only for money getters and hustlers, though. If you're not a hustler, if you're not a money getter, don't bother. JDUN on IG. The selling volume is picking up too. First time here, welcome, bro. Any discounts on Apex? Yep, code JDUN. We'll get you 80% off. And payout protection. You can buy up to 20 accounts at a time. Code JDUN or code Team Bull. Whatever floats your boat. Ooh. Let's go look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA is getting a nice sell-off too. But I sell off that whole previous large candle. Don't. Very interesting place to bounce. I'm not sold on the bounce quite yet. I need to see a lot of confirmation. I love the fact that volatility is picking up, though. It's a good thing for us day traders. $235. First time here. What do you mainly trade? I trade futures and options. Hey, let's go, Ashley Pastor Combine. Shout out, Ashley. Come on, ES. Just sell like 13 more points. Please. Hello from Bulgaria. Hello from Colorado. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. How's everyone doing? Morning check-in time. Damn, Apple to release a folding phone in September 2026. I talk to chat. I mean, I can't respond to every message, but I do my best. I give you all winning trades every day. Ain't that enough? How y'all doing, TikTok chat? How y'all holding up? I think Apple's lost it. Yeah, Apple hasn't innovated since Jobs passed away. I eat a primarily paleo diet. I love meat-based diet. That's my thoughts on funded accounts. I think they can be good for scaling. Past 20 evals yesterday on Apex and today up 200 per account. I have blown accounts in the past, so I think I need to stop there. You just answered your own question. Be gone. Goodbye, Rugby. I love you, bud. Peace. Be gone, my brother. Be gone. Money does come and go. As a reminder, too, for y'all that are trying to get funded and paid out, Apex is 80% off with code Jdun. Tradeify is 35% off, and FFF is 45% off. FFF has made a lot of positive changes. I really like the direction they're heading. Apex is still the most scalable, though. Hey, you stop it, Vinny. Code Jdun for 10% more discipline. For discipline over dopamine. If you don't want discipline, the discipline code, it's trademarked. $800 away from passionate eval. Nice. And again, I want you guys focused on getting payouts and then moving those payouts to live funds. I don't own FFF. I haven't owned a prop firm for almost 6 months. On the 17th of August, it'll be 6 months. Yeah, right. Top Step's cool. They just don't offer. They don't have an affiliate program. Top Step's fine though. They're one of the titans. $60 away from passing eval. Nice. Maybe one day, Sam. I appreciate the offer, bro. Also, I respect the hustle, man. I have a lot of people that reach out and want to do it. The one time I had someone mobile detail it, bless his heart, it was a kid. He didn't do a very good job in the most respectful way. So I just kind of stuck to my guy that's done it forever. But I wish you the best of luck on the business, bro. Come on. Just one more trade. One more trade. One more trade. We just don't really have. Let's see, like, if we go from top to, no, not that. What the hell is this? If we go from top to bottom here, our 50% retracement isn't until 63.44. So let's say we go and look from the bottom of range. From here to here, we still don't have a 50% retracement until 63.36. Till this low. So that's what I'd look for if we're going to short. That's what I would look for. I have no interest in longs whatsoever right now. No interest in longs till we get solid confirmation. I have no interest in fighting the trend whatsoever. Only time I'll fight the trend is if price action clearly says, hey, this has a good chance for reversal here. You don't want to get stuck fighting the trend, my friends. The trend is your friend. Show us a pay stub. Show you a pay stub. For a lot of bread, you come work. I come work for you. Wolf of Wall Street. I'll try to get you a pay stub too with the next trade. I do my best, guys. I'll do my best. Curious, how long has everyone in chat been trading for? What's your experience? Type it in months or years. I want to get a head count of how long y'all been in the game for. $5 years, 18 months, 5 seconds. Stupid. 2 years this month, 3 years, 2 years, 19 years. Wow. Almost 2 decades, 5 years, 7 years, 3 years, 1.5 years, 4 years, 3 years, 2 months, 2 years, 5 years, 2.5 years, 4.5 years, 1 year and a half years. 0 still haven't started. Just watching. That's okay. 5 minutes. Well, welcome. You're going to boost your learning curve a lot quicker here. Why winning rate is not important? It's not important. I mean, to some extent, winning rate is important because you can't have a 0 or 1% win rate and be profitable. But your size of your wins is more important. $5 years, May 2020. Nice. Since before they invented color. Still not profitable. LOL, haven't blown any accounts. Good. Unfortunately, for some of y'all, size is important in trading. I'm kidding. Well, they keep asking why size is important. It is.
Ask Brandon if size is important.
He'll probably say no. Doesn't matter.
With the tear coming down his eye.
With the tear coming down.
Nah,
Oof. Just know I'm full porting your next call with max size. Well, be careful, my friend. I'll try to make it a winner. I'll do my best to make it a winner, man. I never use a prop from just straight my own money. That's great. Nothing wrong with that. It's actually better. I just recommend prop firms for anyone who wants to have some skin in the game, but use less capital. I will never advocate for full porting, but you do what your risk tolerance is. How to avoid that one day of blowing your account? Well, have solid risk management in place. That's how. Well, there's a lot of reasons, James, but I sold my equity almost 6 months ago. I didn't like being a prop firm owner anyway. Where is P&L, you clown? I'm on TikTok and I come onto a random live stream. If I don't see P&L, you are a clown. Welcome to the circus, baby. All we do is win. No, I just like to give him a hard time. I was wishing we could get a little lower on ES for that bounce. Maybe I'll host Gamble one sometime. Appreciate y'all being here. Hey, if you want to come to the clown stream every day, just make sure you hit the follow button. I'll let you come to the circus every day for free. You may even make some money. You may even make some money. Tyler, I think prop firms can be a good thing for you for sure. Then you have, I don't want you paper trading, so you have no skin in the game. At least with a prop firm on futures, if you're going to trade futures, who's your filmer? If you're going to trade futures, then at least you have some skin in the game. Right? You have to pay for the evals. They're cheap, but you still have to pay for them. Just added futures on HUD. Yep. I'm a little I'm a little back and forth here because on the 15-minute, you can see we had that higher volume reversal candle. I want to see us come up to this 50% retracement from this low of range area up here. That orb on the 15 on ES. I'm kind of starting to like looking at ES. Maybe this ends up being the short spot. We'll see. So sitting on fofos, rap with fofos, sitting on fofos. Five-minute is still back and forth. But the 15-minute is looking like a little reversal-ish. We'll see. Potential higher low here. Let's see what they end up doing for us. 629. So far, we're pumping back up. We got that 15-minute reversal. Let's see what they do on the 5. Let's see what they do on the 5. We keep pumping up. So we're not going to have quite as much volume on this candle. But this reversal candle looks halfway decent. Most of it's a wick up. $15-minute last, but 5-minute here with more volume and move up.
Feels great outside.
Is it nice outside?
Very nice. Beautiful.
I'm going to trade for like 15, 20 more minutes, and then I'm going to be donezo. What do you guys think? Where do you think we're heading? Think we're heading back down?
I don't know. About 5 minutes.
5 minute looks strong, but trend is still technically down. Ooh, well, that's where you're heading. Yeah, I would personally, I mean, I like that area I've marked on the chart up here for the shorts.
Oh, let's see. Woo!
Damn, let's go. 4 years. You're right. You earned it, bro. Send them my way. I'm gonna trade for like 10 more minutes. Then yes, I'll be out of here. I got nothing else to do, so. Oh, we're going to the gym. Best believe that. We're going to do some back and biceps today. Some back and biceps, baby. Ain't that right, Gene? We're doing leg day again. Leg day again. Thought Gene was going to say no.
Honestly, bro, I need my legs, bro. I look like SpongeBob.
We got to get those tree trunks.
I look like SpongeBob.
Like SpongeBob. I want to see more of y'all on my personal Instagram, man. If you're not already, make sure you go follow it. It's at Jdun. I have a ton of valuable stuff. I know a lot of you guys are professionals, business owners. You want to make money online. And hey, if you want to make money online and also trade, they go hand in hand. So make sure y'all go follow my personal IG at Jdun. It would mean a lot to me, and I promise you'll get value. Just from the click of a follow button, you will get ROI. That's a promise. Everything I do, I try to help you guys learn. Keep you guys moving forward. So if you want to be a disciplined individual, if you want to make money online, go follow my personal IG at JDUN. Yep. By end of day, you'll have it done. That's my Rolls Royce truck. Yeah, I've been going nuts. 2 trades. I don't take a lot of trades. I like to take maybe 1 to 2 to 3 trades a day. One to 2 to 3 trades a day. That's it. You? Nice job, bro. Now we're just going to sit here and chop, huh? Did I ever work at GoDaddy? No. I worked at This Markets, Daddy. I worked at This Markets, Daddy. That's where I worked. Maybe change your name first. Might help you sell more. Why would I change my name? Jdun's who I am, baby. Is this different from options trading in a sense? Futures just has no Greeks to worry about. That's right. That is correct. Which can be very nice. When you throw in rims on the lamb chop.
I'm gonna throw 40s on it.
Throw some 40s on it. Good. Could throw some 40s on it. See how this is looking on the 5-minute chart.
How much longer are you gonna go?
I don't know why.
Because I need to measure those couches. So I'm gonna go get the tape measure for that now.
Oh, yeah, it's on the garage floor.
Okay. Can you text me when you need the?
Yeah. Yep. Just going to consolidate now, probably. And I think at some point we'll likely get another move. Why'd my internet just die for a second? It's so crazy looking back at how far volatility has came. Like, look at this. Look at the 12-month chart. Hold on. Like, look how much the market has moved in the past few years versus how it used to move back in the day. Like, look at these massive yearly candles versus these. It's crazy, bro. Look at that. It used to be so tiny. Tiny little moves over these months, over these years. Crazy. We are blessed as traders for sure. Living in the year of 2025. A lot of people take the volatility for granted. Where these Drake candles left and right. What is your typical live schedule for a week? I'm live every morning for at least 2 hours. Pity, if you'd like access to the Discord, there's 74,000 of us traders in there. DM me on IG. It's Jdun Trades. You can DM me on IG for the link. Mention that you're from the live stream and that you'd like access to the free Discord. Love to have you on there, bro. I'm likely done. I'm going to leave here in a sec. We're just kind of chopping around now, so. I appreciate you, Ivan. Appreciate you being here, bro. You're very welcome. What's up, karaoke? What up, karaoke? As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure you guys hit that follow button and join me tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time at Market Open. Don't be late. I will 100% be on at Market Open tomorrow, like I am every single day. Now, as a reminder, if you want to trade futures with me, I recommend apextraderfunding.com. You can get funding for 80% off using code JDUN. Buy up to 20 accounts to copy trade. I'm not sure about Power Hour today. Maybe, probably not. But I won't count it out completely. Yep, you can set them all to copy each other. That is correct on Tradeovate. I mean, if ICT works for you, it's fine. It's just a lot of times it's complicated. Like I use ICT concepts, but they're not complicated concepts. They're things I've been using. I've never watched an ICT video ever. Just saying. I mean, I don't use ICT concepts. What I'm saying is it's all repackaged just and made complicated to confuse people. Like I use impulse candles with higher volume. People call it a fair value gap. I never knew it as a fair value gap. I just knew it as an impulse candle that I learned over 9 years of trading. Know what I mean? Damn, do we try the shorts? Looks like this one's still a day. I swear it's not me, bro. I swear it's not me, bro. Let me see, already back? That's dope. Every time I'm about to get off, it rips. I'm saying, bro. It legit knows. It legit knows. Oh, I think we're going to go test low today, though. It looks decent. It's thinking about it. Tried so hard. I'm waiting for Gene to get back, and then we're going to mob out. Too far to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Lose it all. Da-dum. What are you talking about, bro? Da-dum. Dum, da-dum. Guarantees are never guaranteed. That is correct. So whenever I hear 100% guarantee, I'm like, I don't know about that, bro. I don't know about all that. I don't know about all that. Still think we want to go low a day here. Still looks like we want to test this low a day. Oof. All right, y'all. Mr. Gene is back. What a solid day for the Team Bull Familia. Do I let Gene rip the Lambo? I have before. But Urus. I drive my cars like they're go-karts. I don't baby them. Again, no longs until we break structure to the upside and have some solid reversal candles with volume. Or if we get to a key level like 6,300, for example, and we show a sign of reversal down here on ES, or that's my main one. I don't really have one for NQ. Maybe that 23,000, it's a ways away. It's 130 points away, but could watch there for a key level reversal. All right, Team Bull. I'm going to go make some brekkie. We've been trading for 2 hours, caught some winners today. Happy for the team. Remember to trade smart, trade safe, keep focused, and I will see you guys potentially power hour. Probably not. For sure tomorrow morning, bright and early for at least 2 hours of trading. Remember to journal your trades, stay accountable, and look back on what you did well today and what you can improve on for tomorrow. All right, y'all. God bless. Peace, Team Bull. All right, TikTok, YouTube, I'm about to be out of here. Make sure y'all trade smart, trade safe. And if you want to trade futures with me tomorrow, after this live, you can head on over to apextraderfunding.com and use code Jdun for 80% off all accounts. I'd love to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and if nothing else, come tap in with me on IG. I'll be posting stories today. I post a lot of fun, exciting, valuable things on IG at Jdun Trades on my Instagram. So if you want an invite to the free Discord as well, you can go and message me there, baby. Appreciate y'all being here. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys on the flip side, okay? God bless everyone. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.